Functions of business organization. The functions of a business organization refer to the main tasks and operations carried out to achieve its goals effectively. These functions ensure smooth running of all business activities by organizing resources and guiding people in the right direction. They are broad in nature and interrelated, forming the backbone of any enterprise. Let's understand functions. Planning. Planning involves deciding in advance what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. It sets the objectives of the business and chalks out policies, strategies, and methods to achieve them. Organizing. Organizing is concerned with grouping resources such as people, money, materials, and technology. It defines authority, responsibility, and creates a structure for smooth functioning. Staffing. This function includes recruitment, selection, training, development, appraisal, and retaining employees. It ensures that the right person is placed in the right job. Directing. Directing or leading focuses on guiding, motivating, and supervising employees to work towards the goals of the organization. It includes communication, leadership, and motivation. Controlling. Controlling ensures that the activities are carried out according to plan. It involves setting standards, comparing actual performance with standards, and taking corrective actions when necessary. Operational functions. Operational functions are the core activities that directly contribute to the survival and growth of the business. These include production. This involves all activities related to converting raw materials into finished goods or services. It includes designing products, managing resources, maintaining machinery, ensuring efficiency, controlling costs, and focusing on quality. Marketing. Marketing is concerned with creating demand for products and services and ensuring that they reach the right customers. It covers market research, product development, branding, pricing, advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, and distribution. Finance. Finance function ensures the availability of adequate funds at the right time. It includes raising capital, managing working capital, making investment decisions, managing costs, preparing budgets, and ensuring a good return on investments. Accounting. Accounting involves maintaining systematic records of all business transactions. It includes preparing profit and loss accounts, balance sheets, financial analysis, cost accounting, and ensuring compliance with statutory requirements. These operational functions are essential for day-to-day running of the business and work closely with managerial functions to achieve organizational objectives. They ensure that resources are used efficiently and customer needs are met effectively. Social responsibility of business organization. Social responsibility of a business refers to its obligation to work for the benefit of society while conducting its economic activities. A modern business organization is not only responsible to its owners or shareholders, but also to employees, customers, the government, and the community at large. Responsibility towards consumers. Businesses must provide quality products and services at reasonable prices, avoid misleading advertisements, ensure safety, and listen to feedback. This builds trust and goodwill. Responsibility towards employees. Providing fair wages, safe working conditions, training, promotions, and respect for employees are important. This motivates them and enhances loyalty. Responsibility towards community and environment. Businesses should contribute to the welfare of the community by reducing pollution, proper waste disposal, supporting education and health, and promoting social development. Ethical behavior. Organizations must maintain honesty, integrity, and fairness in all dealings and avoid corruption, exploitation, and unethical practices. Responsibility towards government and society. They must pay taxes regularly, obey laws, and participate in government programs aimed at national development. In modern times, social responsibility is an integral part of business strategy. Organizations that actively fulfill these responsibilities earn goodwill and long-term sustainability. Conclusion. Functions of business organization focus on performing internal activities efficiently, whereas social responsibility ensures that while achieving economic goals, the organization also contributes positively to society. A successful business balances both these aspects.